Hello students, in this video lecture class, we will discuss the behavior of pure capacitance when AC supply is given to it. So let us consider a purely capacitive circuit having the capacitance of C and connected across a AC source of supply, having the instantaneous value of voltage V equal to Bm sin omega t. Let's take it as equation number 1. When supply is given, current I is flowing through the circuit and that current is I, due to which voltage Vc is stored by the capacitor, induced in the capacitor. You know that charge stored by the capacitor is the product of capacitance and the voltage Vc. Take it as equation number 2. Now, you know that current is the rate of flow of charge dq by dt. Now, put the value of q here from equation number 2, which gives dq by dt C Bc. Now, at that instant, means the circuit do not consist of ohmic laws, the Vc is equal to the instantaneous value of voltage. So in place of Vc, you put Bm sin omega t. D by dt C Bm sin omega t. Now equation for current is equal to Cbm you kept constant, which gives, after derivative, it is omega Cbm cos omega t. Derivative of sin omega t is cos omega t. Okay. Now, in place of cos omega t, you write sin omega t plus 90 degree or pi by 2 radian. Take it as equation number 3. Now, what is omega c? Xc is equal to capacitive reactance, which is equal to 1 by omega c, and its unit is ohm. Now, the current equation is also be written as Bm by Xc sin omega t plus pi by 2, where Im is Bm by Xc. So equation for current is Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. Take it as equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 2, you clear that the current phasor or current equation, it leads the voltage by 90 degree. It leads the voltage by 90 degree, or you may say that voltage lags the current by 90 degree. So here the power factor angle is 90 degree leading. Power factor is 0 because cos 90 is 0. Then from equation 1 and 3, you draw the phasor diagram where current leads the voltage by 90 degree. Now I draw the waveform for current and voltage with respect to time. Let this one is the phasor for voltage, instantaneous voltage, and the current is 90 degree leading with this voltage. So I start the current waveform 90 degree before. This is the instantaneous value of current. Now we go for the discussion of power. Instantaneous power is the product of instantaneous voltage and instantaneous value of current, which gives, here you put from equation 1 the value of voltage Bm sin omega t and current is Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. Now you keep Bm Im at 1 plus sin omega t, and sin omega t plus 90 is cos omega t. Now you put here the trigonometric formula of sin 2 omega t. As you know that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here I put the formula of trigonometric sin 2 omega t. Sin 2 omega t. Take it as equation number 4. So from equation number 4, it is very clear that the frequency of power is double the frequency of voltage and current. Again I repeat, the frequency of power is double the frequency of current and voltage. Okay. Now the average power. How you calculate the average power? You take the integration of instantaneous power with the time period of 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360 degree. Okay. So it is 1 by 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi p d omega t. Means you integrate the instantaneous power with respect to angular displacement. So which gives 0 reading, which gives the 0 value. Or you may calculate the value of power. The value of power is Bi cos phi, where phi is 90 degree. So you already get cos phi is 0. So it is 0. So here students, after completion of this topic, you are very clear that in case of capacitance, pure capacitance, average power consumed is 0. Now we draw the waveform for instantaneous power. Within 0 to 90 degree, current voltage both are positive. So power is also positive. Okay. Here 0 to 90 degree, both current and voltage are positive. So power is positive, because you know that power is the product of voltage and current. So within the period 0 to 90 degree, power is positive. Now within the period 90 degree to 180 degree, you have seen here voltage is positive but current is negative. So that the phasor for waveform for power is negative, because the product of plus and minus is minus. Now within the time period of 180 degree to 270 degree or pi to 3 pi by 2 radian, both power and voltage, both current and voltage are negative, so power is positive. Both current and voltage are negative, so power is positive. Clear? And from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi radian, both current and power are negative. Current is positive but voltage is negative. So power is negative. So students, after completion of this topic, you have learned in case of purely capacitive circuit, when AC supply is given, at that time current and voltage, they differ by each other by 90 degree. It means current leads the voltage by 90 degree.